So here I want to show you the 7-inch digital microscope. So if you like to do your own work and like fixing those circuit boards, or if you like to do science stuff and you like to upgrade your microscope, this is a digital. This is a 7-inch one. It plays everything at 1080p, so it's good quality pictures. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's everything inside of the box. Here on the side gives you some specs on it: 7-inch display, photo resolution all the way up to 16 m, video resolutions 1080, FHD. Supports systems like Windows 7, 8.1, and 10 and above. So you could hook this up to your computer. So here's a user manual. You can go over it, how to work it and all that. But it should be pretty simple. So we'll find out as soon as I get it all put together. So here's that 7-inch screen. Here where you will see everything. Put it down and you see everything through here. Here on the back, it has the micro SD slot, so you can put one of those micro SD card. It's got the Type C. Then it's got a reset. Let's put that over here. Comes with the remote, so you can zoom in, zoom out, and mess with some of the settings in it. So here's a USB-A to USB-C. Here's some adapters. I believe these are lights. So you connect the USB-C, USB-C's connectors, so you can have some light. And then here is the bottom part, which this just goes in here. Unscrew this, pass this through, then you put that in there. Make sure you put it whichever way you want to work with it. Just put that over here. Then this goes in here. Unscrew these little screws so you could put this in there, and then you tighten it so it'll support it. So let's go ahead and get this USB power cord. Let's see. USB-C, USB-C. So the lights will connect here on the side. At least you can adjust them however. Let me get my blue little power station here to give this power. And then this just connects up here. And boom, you'll see that little red light will turn on right there. Then you got your power. So let me switch this so you guys could see the screen and all that. All right, guys, so we got it here connected. As you can see, it's already powered on. You can see right here on the screen, just looking at the user manual right here. And here you got the focus wheel. So depending on what it is that you are trying to work on or see, here is the focus wheel. And then you could just go over it, as you can see. And then you could go into the settings and change the resolution on it, make it clear and all that. And one thing it does not come with is the micro SD card. So if you want to record, take pictures or whatnot, you will need to get yourself a micro SD card right here and install it. But yeah, and then you have your also extra lighting here that you just connect to the USBs on the side right here. Plus you got the light right here on the microscope. So it was a pretty simple installation. Just unscrew this button right here, put this in there, and then you screw it and tighten it. And then just plug this into power or to your computer. Again, as you can see right here, You can just focus this. I don't know if you can see clear right there. But yeah, so if you ones that like to work on your own circuit boards or do some science stuff, or just even read, even if you're trying to read something and you're blind, you can use this for that too. Um, I guess it's just the lighting. Just focus on it. But yeah, so hopefully this helped you out.